Welcome to the video tutorial Usage of the Ebook Central portal for library users at the University of Applied Sciences Wildau. The best way to get access to the offered ebooks is to use the library-owned search engine Wilbert. If you currently are not at TH Wildau and logged into the campus network, please use the VPN client. You can find a tutorial for the installation on the university's IT service website. A direct link can be found below this video. Enter a search term, the name of an author or book title in the search bar. In this example, we will use the search term marketing. Choose Books and Ebooks and Ebooks Ebook Central in the filtering options on the left side of the website. Now, only the titles which are available on Ebook Central for your chosen topic are displayed. This includes ebooks from several different publishing companies. On the right side you see the terms PDA and full text. Click on Full Text. You will be redirected to the Ebook Central website where you will be asked to log in. To use the service you have to create an account. Choose an email address and a password. If you are an employee or a student at TH Wildau, we recommend to use the email address given by the University of Applied Sciences. This makes it easier for the staff of the library to identify you as a member of TH Wildau in case that you have suggestions for the acquisition department. The usage creation of the account and the usage of the Ebook Central website are free of charge. Furthermore, your data will be collected in anonymous form only for the purpose of accounting between the supplier and the library. Ebook Central offers different lending options. For selected books, as shown in this example, you have the opportunity to read it for 5 minutes online. After the expiry of these 5 minutes, you have to request the resource to get the full access. Now you can choose if you need the whole ebook or a single chapter. Single chapters can be saved permanently as a PDF file. When you request the complete work, you have the possibility to get full access for 1 day, 7 or 14 days. You can optionally describe the purpose in the message box, for example, your thesis or scientific research. To use a lended book from Ebook Central, it's required to install Adobe Digital Editions Reader. This will be the case when your lending request has been accepted by the library. Download and usage of the Adobe Digital Editions Reader is free. You can also find a link to download the ADE reader below this video. It's also possible that the library provides the access to an ebook directly. Consequently, there's the opportunity to use the book for up to 1 day offline or to get up to 40% as a PDF file. In this case, you can also read the full text online. We hope that this tutorial offered an overview about the usage possibilities of the Ebook Central website. If there are any questions left, please contact the staff of the library at the TH Wildau via mail, telephone or in person. We will be happy to answer all your questions.